Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to scan documents on iPhone and send to email. So let's start. So I'm here on my iPhone. Let's go to our email account, and then when we're here, in my case I will write a new email. So just click here, or let's write the person that we want to send, and then the subject, let's write check. Okay, then let's write something. Please check document. And when you do it, just go to your part that says your keyword, and then let's click here, and then you will have these options. You can add font, image, picture, document, or paper. So just click on document here to scan, and it will open your camera, and then just click here to scan the document here. So when you do it, just click here, and it automatically will scan the document without any problem. As you can see, you can keep it scanned, and that's it, guys. And then just save it, and then when you save it, just send it. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.